It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Hirap pa mag-isa, nagigilig. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Pag wala ang mga tao, madilim ba ang mundo? It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Hirap bang mag-isa, nangihilig. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Andiyan lang ang mga tala, oh, andiyan lang ang mga tala. Madilim ba ang mundo?
Taray! Kagaling mo doon!
Yabang mo naman.
Thank you, wala na tumalito bagay. Thank you po ha, bye!
Ika lang, hindi pa tapos.
Yeah. Today, clone ng mga classic female singers pa rin ang maglalaban.
Ay.
This week, ha?
Thank you, B-Man. Okay.
Masayaw pa rin sila.
Ito na ang ating unang clone for today.
Pasok!
Sino yan?
Funny how a lonely day can make a person say, what good is my life? Funny how a breaking heart can make me start to say, what good is my life? Funny how I'm insane to take a fight another dream in my life. Till I look around and see this great world's a part of me in my life. This is my life. Today, tomorrow, Lord, will come and find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life, and I don't give it down for some emotion. I sense a lot of love I got to give. Let me live, let me live. Sometimes when I feel free, I think of what I missed of better my life. Crying over my mistakes, breaking all the breaks I had in my life. I was good enough to be a part of this world of me in my life. Get some jackpots to score and catch the same kind grateful for in my life. This is my life. Today, tomorrow, Lord, come and find me. 'Cause that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life, and I don't give it down for lost emotion. I sense that I love I got to give. Let me live, let me live. This is my life. This is my life. This is my life.
Oh, Luz Viminda, Piedad ng Quezon City. Ikaw naman, porque nalalapit ang Grand Finals, kinapahan mo na kami.
Oo, Shirley Bassey naman
Pang
po.
Saturday, pero maalan.
Yes, pang Grand Finals na talaga. Kaya naman, Ian, may request ang ating audience.
Yabang naman maglakad. Hi, Damoy Cats! Say ho! Sino sa inyo ang gusto mag-request? Saan? Ay, eto. Fresh. Ay, ate. Kamusta? Ay, pangalan mo?
Princess Smith, Caras po.
Princess?
Prince Smith.
Prince Smith. Ay, taga saan ka?
Taga Mandaluyong po.
Ay, may prinsesa pala sa Mandaluyong. Hello po. You look so familiar. Hi. Sige, anong songs? Ma'am? Ano gusto mo i-request?
Diamonds Are Forever.
Diamonds Are
Ay,
Forever.
mahirap yan. From the James Bond movie of the same title. Kaya natin yon. Kaya si Luz Biminda pa ba? Hindi naman magpapangalan niya ng Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Kung hindi kakayanin, go girl.
Luz Beminda, Piedad.
Diamonds are forever. They are all need to please me. They can't still tease me. They won't live in the night and no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever. Hold them up and down, caressing, touch you, struck the air, dressing. I can see her because that same highs and her heart to hurt me. I go in love for the good way that's in me. Diamonds never lie to me. For when love dies, they lost diamonds are forever, forever, forever. Diamonds are forever, 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 forever. Yeah.
Ganon!
Paulit lang kasi naliw kami dun sa ano. So, yun, pew! Ganun. Paano yun? Ibang case. Ano iyan? Nagawa ba siya?
Yes, tuwan-tuwa siya na
Prince.
pag ganun siya, Ma'am Alan.
Napailing siya, no?
Nandito yung ano, kapatid ni Sam ng ating singing queen.
Sino?
Kumakanta din daw to. Alika nga, Iha. Ano pangalan mo, Iha?
Mas maganda kay Sam.
My name is Charisse po.
Siyempre, magaling ka din kumanta. Subukan natin. Anong song?
The Greatest Love of All.
Sige, try.
Sige nga, parinig.
The greatest love of all is easy to achieve.
Parang si Sam din, no?
Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. Thank you po.
Biritera din, parang si Sam din.
Totoo. It runs in the family. I mean,
Ano?
wala.
Salamat!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ay, may challenge, Ma'am Alan.
Eto na, Luz Biminda Piedad. Meron kaming challenge sa'yo! As Shirley Bassey, kakantahin mo ang kanta ni Dusty Springfield na You Don't Have to Say You Love Me. Although may mga babaeng versions din na lumabas niyan. Kakayanin natin. Kakayanin.
Kaya.
Go!
When I said I need you said you will always there. It wasn't me who changed for you, and now you gone away. Don't you see that now you've gone, and I'm left here on my own? That I had to follow you and beg you to
husay.
Ang husay. Grabe ka, no? Wala lang, yun lang masabi ko, grabe ka. Doon ka, doon ka, doon ka.
Thank you. Pwesto ka muna
Pinag-init mo yung ulo ko.
Ma'am Alan, ito pa magpapainit ng ulo mo. Isa
Ay.
pang palaban pagdating sa kantahan.
Talagang pa-finals na, no?
Yes.
Grabe.
Ito na siya.
Sino naman yan?
Sad movies always make me cry. He said I to work, so I went to the show alone. They turned on the lights and turned the projector on. Just as the news of the world started to begin, I saw my darling and my best friend walking. Though I was sitting there, they didn't see. And so they sat right down in front of me. When he kissed her lips, I almost died. And in the middle of the color cartoon, I started to cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. And so I got up and slowly walked on home. My mama saw the tears and said, "What's wrong?" And to keep from telling her I lie, I just said movies make me cry. Come on. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Sad movies make me cry.
Thank you po. Grabe naman si Sue Thompson.
Si Ryan Galvez ng Antipolo City.
Parang nakikita namin, nag-enjoy ka na. ah.
Yes po.
Hindi na ako
Nag-enjoy na
kasi
po ako.
parang yung ibang studio audience natin, parang ngayon lang siya nakita. Nabaliw sila nung lumabas. Lalaki pa rin kumanta. Ang galing. Siya po si Ryan Galvez, ang Sue Thompson natin dito sa
Yes
The
po, yes
Clones. Ian, syempre may request uli ang audience natin.
Request Ian.
Requesto.
May puntahan.
Sa request,
Dapat
Ian. Sa
cats.
request.
Request
Sino ang mag-request? Ay! Ang ganda naman ng ate ko. Tayo ka, ano pangalan mo?
Tanya Bainosa from the land of promise, Dinagat Island!
Dinagat Island.
Saan bang Dinagat Island?
Saan yan?
Danao.
Sa Mindanao.
Surigao del Norte.
Shout out sa mga number ka sa
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
At balita ko, mahusay daw kumanta ang mga tao dyan. Kumakanta ka ba?
Kumakanta ako pero hindi mo sure kung mahusay. Try natin.
Importante kumakanta.
Maalay mo
Pati-
naman magustuhan namin, di ba? O sige, try natin. Anong song?
Bakit pa?
O simulan mo, susundan ka ni Pedro.
Jessa.
Parang di ko yata kaya pag sa buhay ko'y wala ka. Aanhin ang pag-ibig kung puso ay nag-iisa. Sinong aking tatawagin? Sinong aking hahanapin? Sino ang magpupuno sa aking paglalambing?
Kaya mataas na yan!
Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan. Kung siya'y higit sa akin, naroon man ang pagkaramdam nito ay aking kakayanin. Thank you so much!
In fairness, kinaya.
Alam mo, malayo ang mararating mo.
Tulad na,
Sige na, maglakad ka na ngayon. Anong song ni Sue Thompson ang gusto mong i-request?
Ang request ko po sa kanya ay Have a Good Day.
Have a good
Have a
time.
good time.
Have a good
Oh.
time.
Have a good time.
O, sige. Kaya natin yun,
Try
siyempre.
ko po, try ko.
Oo, sige, tirahin natin.
Ryan
Have a good time.
Galvez.
Goodbye. I hate to see you go, but have a good time.
Have a good time.
So long, I miss you too, I know, but have a good time.
Have a good time.
Have your blank became when a new love. I'm setting you in. Dance and sing that it's too long. Don't worry about me. I know that is the only time you farther away. Just go, forget that I'm alive. It's your holiday. When you're tired of being reckless and carefree, remember that I'll be waiting to welcome you home. So have a good time. Bye, baby. Gee, I hate to see you go, but have a good time.
Parang ano ba,
Ano,
Chika?
nagustuhan niya?
Nagustuhan mo ba, ate?
Yes, ang galing nyo po.
Ang
Thank you,
galing
thank you,
niya.
thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Thank you. Alam mo, hindi ko maalala kung sinabi ko na sa'yo na may boses ka bang lalaki.
Yes po, mayroon po.
Oy?
Ma'am, alam baka
Meron po
mamaya
ang boss
tanungin
na
ka
lalaki.
rin.
Kayo po, mayroon po.
Hindi pwede ba kaming, wag nyo nang sabayan, Pedro. Kahit konti lang na kantang lalaki.
Sige po. Unforgettable. That's what you are. Unforgettable.
Ay, nagjujuwet din mag-isa.
Yes, po.
Okay.
Challenge mo.
Meron din kaming challenge sa'yo, Ryan.
Sige po.
As Sue Thompson, kantahin mo ang I'm Losing You ni Brenda Lee. Kakayanin ba natin yon?
Try ko po, medyo mahirap po siya.
Try natin.
Sige
As
po.
dali lang. Kanina pa siya kasi bumubulong. May
Sige
shout
po.
out. Sige, sino ba yan?
Go.
Gusto ko lang po i-shoutout sana po yung pamangking ko ng happy birthdays. Tsaka yung mga taga sa amin po sa Sitio Mulawin po. Tsaka kay sila, Sir Leonie po.
Ang
Ilo
dami
po.
pala. Okay na. Kantahan na
birthday.
I'm Losing You by Brenda
Thank
Lee
you po.
as Sue Thompson. Go!
Don't smile as for me. Don't ever cry on me. This is good art for me. I know it's true. I'm losing you. Love's all, it's all for me. Then things went wrong for me. Nights are too long for me because I'm losing you. Our love and our devotion were deep as any ocean. Then one day, like a tide, you began to change, and you became a perfect stranger. Someone is looking for you, sharing the lips I knew. I can't believe it's true that I am losing you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Ryan!
Ryan Galvez ang
Sige,
Antipolo
doon ka
City.
muna din.
Best of
Ano ba
all.
yan? Parang wala pa namang finals. Parang finals na.
Siyempre, iba mga contestant natin, Ma'am Ate. Iba talaga sila.
Ha? Pakinggan natin ang sasabihin ni Maine.
Ayan.
Good luck sa mga clones natin today at sa mga judges din. At ang mananalong clone ay tatanggap ng 20,000 pesos at babalik sa Sabado para sa Classic Female Clones Grand Finals.
May 10,000 naman ang non-winner.
Sa grand concert naman, kung saan maghaharap-harap ang lahat ng mga clones grand winners, naghihintay ang 300,000 pesos. Payable in 50 years.
What?
Hindi ah!
Minsanan lang isang bigay.
Kaliwaan. At na alamin na natin kung sino ang panalong the clone for today.
One or two.
One or two.
Studio.
One or two!
Ay, sino kaya?
Hindi sila magkandamayo. Hindi na malaman kung sino. The Clones, ka-voice of the stars. Ang papasok sa qualifying round natin sa Saturday ay walang iba kundi Sina! Contestants 1 and 2! Luis Mimita Piedad and Ryan Galvez. Ano ba yan?
Sobra.
Sarado na ang clones. Salamat sa mga nakasama
Thank you
nating
po.
singers. Thank you.
Oo, nakakatuwa.
Congrats! And see you po ulit sa Sabado. Dalawa na mga Dapper Cats ang pasok sa Grand Finals. Tatlo pala sila. Abangan na ang kukumpleto sa ating Grand Finalists sa Sabado.
Ayan na si Jean Jordan, Abina, Karen Carpenter, Luz Viminda Piedad, Shirley Bassi, Ryan Zuniga Galvez, Sue Thompson. Ako, abangan pa natin yung iba pagkukumpleto para sa weekly grand finals natin sa Sabado.